Good morning from Ushguli, Georgia. It is a little bit overcast, unfortunately, after last night's incredible sunset. If you haven't seen that sunset, go and check out this video because the whole day yesterday was amazing, and then to end it off here, it's just like, wow, so good. Anyway, we're up again. It is like 5 in the morning. This is Brendan Van Son setting up his kit. And this vlog is all about Ushguli and hitting the road in Georgia and seeing more of this amazing country. Let's go. So we've got the two cameras set up here, just finished a very good drone flight through the valley over the old town behind us towards the mountain like what we shot yesterday, as well as this awesome scene here. Now I wanted to touch on one thing because the very first photo I took this morning was a 1.5-minute exposure with a full stop ND 6-stop filter thing.
That's why you should talk about video instead of about photos.
It is a 6-stop ND filter, and then I have another one which is a 0.6 stop soft grad. And one of the good things about traveling with Mr. Brendan Van Son is that I can learn a little bit more about really long exposure shots. You took a couple this morning as well. What'd you get?
Well, I shot a 3-minute photo, and I think it looked really cool because the sky had all sorts of movement and it looked really moody. Yeah, I'm happy with how it looked.
The clouds are really going quick today.
They were chucking, yeah.
So we woke up to thunderstorms, and now it's pretty clear, and there's even some color up high. It's also very early, so pardon our English, but I think it's gonna be a good day. Good morning, Nellie.
Good morning.
The sun is out because Little Miss Sunshine is awake. We've just had breakfast. It was very good, and
a lot.
Yeah.
Great Georgian breakfast.
Yeah, the food here has been really good.
Yeah,
Dinner last night was amazing. But it's time to get going, so we are going to pack up and hit the road. We're driving to Mestia.
That's right.
And then to the coast.
Have a little stop over there, get a coffee maybe, get some work done, and then we're heading to the coast, which is kind of a new decision.
The coast of the Black Sea. We just decided this morning as a group we're going to the Black Sea, and I think that that is going to be very cool. Something to look forward to.
Which is one of the beauties of traveling too, that you can just decide you go to that place.
Yeah. I agree.
That same morning, and
that freedom is amazing. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, do subscribe. There is lots more adventures to come here in Georgia and today because we are hitting the road and going to the Black Sea. We made it to Mestia. Yes. Yeah, that drive was amazing. We've got perfect weather right now, and it was a lot less crazy and bumpy and like hectic than going towards Ushguli. So that was really nice and felt really smooth. We got here pretty quick. So now it is time to take a bit of a rest, get caught up on some work, some video editing for this vlog, as well as some photo editing because we got a number of really good shots over the last couple of days. Then we're gonna hit the road again and head towards the Black Sea.
On the thing?
Yeah?
Yeah, if you have a pen, we can.
Yeah. I was just thinking.
Yeah, but maybe Jody should write because my writing's like a triangle.
It's go time. We are leaving Mestia and hitting the road off to the Black Sea, which is very cool because none of us have been to the Black Sea before, and the 4 of us have traveled a lot. So we'll see you at the sea.
We'll see you there.
We have made it to the coast of the Black Sea and in this amazing accommodation. This is such a difference from where we woke up this morning. It is incredible. From Ushguli and 2,100 meters, where this morning at sunrise I was wearing a jacket and a pair of pants. It's now like 33 degrees and super hot and humid, and we're in this beautiful location. It's also been a bit of a long day driving, as is the theme from this trip. So Nellie and I are gonna go down and get a bite to eat and then probably have a really chill evening. Hopefully shoot a little bit of the sunset and that's it. But yeah, really nice to have made it here, and this place is incredible. So I'm up at BBS in Jody's room, and it is so windy. Where did this wind come from? Like,
basically, as soon as I opened this bottle of Georgian vodka, the wind just
danger.
exploded.
As you guys know, neither of us really drink that much, so I'm not sure what the cause for celebration is.
I never drink.
Yeah.
I haven't tried Georgian vodka.
Yeah, nor beer.
Oh, you know what? I should probably. Okay, well, let Jody's the experienced one.
I don't even like vodka.
Chug.
Oh no.
That's fine.
Let me try.
Really?
I can drink that straight. Yeah.
And this is the sign off for this vlog. Wow. What a change from up in Ushguli to where we are now. We've got both cameras set up here behind us, doing some time lapse, getting some shots of the beach, and trying Georgian vodka.
I gotta say, this was the equivalent of $1. It might be the best vodka I've ever tried.
Awesome. So on that note, I hope you liked the video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.